Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drill presses that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for precision tools, this list has something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Milescraft 1318 Drill Mate Portable Drilling Guide. This budget-friendly tool is perfect for anyone who's looking for a portable, versatile drilling solution without breaking the bank. Its key feature is the ability to drill precise angled and straight holes, making it ideal for woodworking and DIY projects. The adjustable angle settings from 45 degrees to 90 degrees provide added flexibility for various applications. And the centering channels on the base make it easy to drill into round stock up to 3 inches in diameter. In terms of design and build quality, the Milescraft Drill Mate is compact and lightweight, allowing for easy transportation and storage. While powered manually with your cordless drill, it provides surprisingly accurate results thanks to its sturdy construction. However, keep in mind that it's not meant for heavy-duty use or professional-grade precision. The value proposition here is clear. For under $40, you're getting a simple yet effective drilling guide suitable for occasional use. It's a great choice for hobbyists and beginners, but may not meet the demands of advanced users. Pros include portability, versatility, and affordability, while cons include limited power and precision compared to benchtop models. At number 4, we have the WEN 4206T 8-inch 5-speed benchtop drill press. This compact and affordable drill press is a step up from portable drilling guides, offering more stability and precision for small to medium-sized projects. It's equipped with a 2.3A induction motor, an 8-inch swing, and a spindle travel of 2 inches, making it suitable for light-duty drilling tasks in wood and metal. The adjustable work table bevels up to 45 degrees in both directions, providing added flexibility for angled drilling. The design is straightforward yet sturdy, with a cast iron base and work table ensuring durability and vibration reduction during operation. It's compact enough to fit on small workbenches, which is a plus for users with limited workspace. Performance-wise, the 5-speed system ranges from 750 to 3200 RPM, allowing you to adjust the speed based on the material you're working with. However, advanced users may find its power insufficient for heavy-duty applications. Overall, the WEN 4206T offers excellent value for its price. It's ideal for hobbyists and light DIYers who need precision without spending a fortune. Pros include affordability, compact design, and decent flexibility, while cons include limited power and a shorter spindle travel compared to higher-end models. Taking the third spot is the WEN 4208T 2.3 amp 8-inch drill press. This model offers similar capabilities to the WEN 4206T, but with enhanced features that justify its slightly higher price. Key highlights include a 2-inch spindle travel and an 8-inch swing, combined with a 5-speed system ranging from 740 to 3,140 RPM. Whether you're working on wood or metal, this drill press provides consistent performance for small to medium-sized projects. The design and build quality of the 4208T are impressive for its price range. It features a durable cast iron base and work table, which help reduce vibration and provide stability during drilling. The work table can be adjusted in height and tilted up to 45 degrees for angled drilling, giving you more versatility in your projects. Additionally, onboard key storage ensures easy access to the chuck key. This drill press is perfect for beginners or intermediate users who are looking for a reliable, affordable tool for their workshop. Pros include solid build quality, adjustable speeds, and ease of use, while cons include limited power for heavy-duty tasks and a smaller drilling capacity compared to premium models. Overall, it's an excellent mid-range option. Coming in at number 2 is the Skil 6.2 amp 10-inch benchtop drill press. This model is a powerhouse, boasting a 6.2 amp induction motor that delivers the performance needed for tougher tasks. The 10-inch swing and adjustable table height make it versatile for a range of projects, while the 5-speed system allows you to adjust RPMs from 610 to 2800 depending on your material. The laser alignment system ensures precise drilling every time, and the LED work light makes it easy to see your workspace. The design is modern and well-built, featuring a brushed finish and sturdy components that can handle regular use. The tilting work surface adds flexibility for angled drilling, and the depth stop ensures consistent results. The added bump-off switch provides an extra layer of safety, making it suitable for both professionals and serious DIYers. While it comes at a higher price point, the Skil drill press delivers excellent value for those who need power, precision, and reliability. Pros include a powerful motor, advanced features like laser alignment, and a durable build. Cons include its relatively heavy weight and higher cost compared to entry-level models. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for users who need a robust tool for demanding projects. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in narrowing down your choices for a drill press. If you enjoyed this review, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product comparisons. If you have any questions about these products or need further assistance, drop a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.